Imagine getting paid every time you buy groceries, fill up your gas tank, or order your favorite meal. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Millions of Americans earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year simply by using the right cashback credit card. But beginners often make one mistake that wipes out all those rewards. Here's how to avoid it. A cashback credit card gives you a percentage of your spending back as a reward. Buy $100 worth of groceries with a card offering 3% cashback, and you'll earn $3. It might not sound like much, but over a year, those rewards can add up to hundreds of dollars. The best beginner cards usually have no annual fee, easy approval requirements, and simple reward programs. Some give a flat cashback rate on everything you buy, while others reward you more for groceries, dining, gas, or online shopping. The secret isn't finding the flashiest card, it's choosing one that matches how you already spend your money. But here's what separates smart users from everyone else. Never spend extra just to earn rewards. If you buy things you don't need, you're losing money, not making it. Even more important, always pay your full balance before the due date. If you carry a balance, the interest charges can easily become larger than the cash back you earned. For example, imagine earning $20 in rewards, but paying $40 in interest. You've actually lost $20. That's why experienced credit card users treat their card like a debit card. They only spend what they already have in their bank account. If you're just getting started, look for a card with no annual fee, solid cashback rewards, and a welcome bonus if you can meet the spending requirement naturally. Used responsibly, a cashback credit card doesn't just help you earn rewards, it also helps build a stronger credit history, making it easier to qualify for better loans and credit cards in the future. Remember, the best credit card isn't the one with the biggest rewards. It's the one you can use responsibly every single month. Don't let your everyday spending disappear. Put every dollar to work and let your money pay you back.